Hey there campers, here's how you can get Everwood Planks in Outbound. Before you can make these, you must first unlock the sawmill blueprint after you've downloaded 3 other blueprints and reached your 4th signal tower or terminal, regardless of which tower it is on the map. After you've acquired the blueprint, set up your camper van and press B to enter the build menu. Go to this workstation tab and click on this icon with a box and rotating arrows. Then build a sawmill with 10 everwood and 2 pieces of scrap metal on top of a counter inside your van. Once that's done, interact with the sawmill. There you'll see the recipe for Everwood plank. 1 plank would cost you 2 pieces of everwood, so make sure to gather a good amount of it, depending on the number of planks you need. Just click on the recipe and toggle the switch in the middle to begin processing your order. After a few minutes, you'll get the planks in the output window. Take them to put them in your backpack or deposit them inside your camper van. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.